Well, good afternoon. This is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. We're going to have the opportunity to look at a 2020 Winnebago Spirit 22M. We just got this in. It's got some nice options on it. One of the things you'll be, I think, impressed with in 2020, Winnebago has really done a good job of giving us new colors on the interior and exterior. So let's go around this. This is on the Ford E450. So it's on the heavier chassis. It's an option on this one. As we go around the coach right here, we do have exterior cameras, side cameras. So it's our passenger side camera looking right down the side, activated by our bumping the turn signal for a moment. That door is locked. So electric awning, sewer bumper, ladder to access to check your roof, single slide out. Nice storage compartment there, power cord here, black tank flush cable, city and tank fill. As you can see, Winnebago does a great job of kind of lettering each thing. This right here is going to be our LP tank. Beside it is our generator, 4,000 Onan. Driver's side camera. If you notice, the Winnebago has new lettering on the outside that kind of dressed up their presentation of the Winnebago. Nice gray full body paint on this coach. So it has a number of options I think people will like. Full body paint, the heavier chassis. Underneath the entry step here we have dual house batteries with emergency start. And all emergency start means is it's just basically basically a relay you can press to jump your house and chassis together. New hardware this year for 2020. If you look at the new colors, lighter countertop, kind of a beige theme here, nice big U-booth, one of the more comfortable dinettes really to sleep in. As we go back, we have a double-sided wardrobe, so shallow on this side, some storage down below. Then on this side we have the deep wardrobe. With the single slide here, it gives us nice space. Wardrobe space there, extra drawer here, USBs and a receptacle down there below the nightstand. Of course, TV in the corner. This is a nicely appointed coach. Shower. One of the little things that have come up this year is if you look on the left there, the W, that's your towel holder. So they've kind of imprinted her name and also given us some additional towel space. Double door RV refrigerator, 3-burner oven, microwave, our control center. This does have an inverter on board, so you can watch your TV without having to, your TV and your DVD without having to start the generator or be plugged in. Control panel. So as you look around, you can see where they've done a nice change on the colors. Very appealing package. Nice short coach, 22-footer. So love to talk to you more about it. Come take a test drive. This is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you.